guys, and welcome back to the kingdom. I hope you guys are having positive and productive weeks this week. Sorry if it's a bit noisy, but I live in a new build estate and the building people decided now was the time they were going to do everything with their trucks. So I'm sorry if it's a bit noisy or you can hear the beeping. So this week I'll be sharing with you guys the sprayed edge that I did on the perks of being a wallflower. So this was a custom commission that was ordered by a customer for their boyfriend. Apparently this is one of their favourite books. The only problem with this book is that it is tiny in terms of the number of pages that it has. Like, I had less than half an inch worth of width to work on, which was a giant pain in the butt, which meant that none of my stencils would have fit, like none of them. So I had to do most of this by hand, which you will see in the video. So without much further whittering from me, let's jump into the video. So what do you guys think? It has this fantastic turquoise background which really matched that sticker on the cover, and it had some hearts and a little tape recorder, which I thought was really nice. Incredibly fiddly to do by hand, but we did it well. I personally love how it came out, but let me know your thoughts. Would you have done it in different colours, for example? Would you have done or tried this differently? Do let me know. Okay, so the next books that I will be painting are going to be Forest of Souls, Shadow Scent. We're also going to do Star Daughter. I'm also going to do Kingdom of the Wicked, Empire of the Vampire, and I finally have decided the design that I'm going to put on A Court of Silver Flames. Finally. So let me know which book you would like to see first. Also, let me know if there's a book that I haven't mentioned just put it in the comment section and I will put it to the top of my TBR and we'll get a design painted up for it. Please, please, please be sure to check out my Etsy and my website www.kingdombookdesigns.com to see some of my other fantastic creations. As you can see, you've got this finale one behind me. And we've got Cinder is Dead over here as well. So please check all that out, and thank you to everyone who has been on my Etsy, who has looked at my work and my books, and a special thank you to everyone who has ordered my work. You guys are all okay. So I think that's it. I will see you guys next week. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, all of those fantastic things. I hope you guys are positive and productive weeks. I'll see you then. Bye.